Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is algebraic identities. And dear students, in previous class we take and discuss all the important algebraic identities and also we discuss about the questions based on them. Now in today's class we take and solve the questions based on the algebraic identities. Now let's see. Write the following. We take some important question. Let's see. And the first question is write the following in expanded form. Okay. Write the following in expanded form. Expanded form. Okay, write the following in expanded form. And the first part of this question is what? Minus 2x plus 5y. This is a very important question of your syllabus. Okay, minus 3z whole square. And second one is what? A upon 4 minus b upon 2 plus 1 whole square. Now let's see its solution. Okay, here write the following in expanded form. First one is what? Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z is whole square. Second one is what? A upon 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So we know that the identity, dear students. First of all we take the first part of this question, which is what? We can write the given question in this way: 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole square. We can write it this way, and we know that the identity a plus b plus c square, so we expanded it. Now look, so this is a square, this is plus b square means what? Plus c square means what? A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, plus 2 times ab means what? A into b means what? 2ab plus 2bc plus 2 into b means 5y, c means what? Minus 3z. 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca means plus 2 into ca. C means what? Minus 3z. Okay, into a means what? Minus 2x. So now we simplify them. Okay, dear students, let's see. So we have this is plus 4x square plus this is 25y square. Okay, plus 3 is 9 z square 9 z square, and this is plus minus 20xy. Now plus minus 30yz. Okay, minus plus and plus as it is. Okay, now here 12 zx 12 zx. Okay, so this is the expanded form of the given question. So this is the final one. Okay, so in this way you can solve these types of questions. Okay, and simplify that type of question. Now similarly we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and discuss the second part of this question. So we have a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Okay, to expanded them based on the identity a plus b plus c square. So now first of all we can write in this way. This is a by 4, write as it is, plus we can write minus b by 2 in this way. We can write minus b by 2 in this way and plus 1 whole square. Plus 1 whole square. Now this is the form of a plus b plus c. So now here a plus b plus c whole square. So this is now expanded on the identity a plus b whole square. No? So look, a square plus b square means that this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. bc means this is to this. Okay, 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, dear students, plus 2 into c means what? 1. A means what? A by 4. Okay. So dear students, this is the question here. We know that the identity a plus b plus c whole square, so means what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now what I do? We just simplify them and we got our result. Let's see. A by 4 means what? A square by 16 plus minus square is converted into the plus, so b square by 4 here. Okay, now look here, the square of 1, that is 1, write as it is, plus this is what? 2 2s are 4, and now look here, so this is plus minus, that is a minus, so ab upon 2 2s are 4, this is ab upon 4. Okay, different because of, look here, this is plus minus converted into the minus. Okay, and here this is 2 2s are 4 and they multiply 2 2 4 a into b, that is ab upon 2 2s are 4, that is 2 2s are 4. Now look here, this is plus minus converted into the minus. Now 2 cancel to each other. Now b into 1, that is b, write as it is. Okay, now here this is plus, look here, this is 2 2s are 4, so that is a into 1, that is a upon 2, that is a upon 2. So now first of all we expanded it on the identity a plus b plus c whole square, and after expanded it we just simplify them. So we get, dear friends, a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus a into b, that is ab upon 4 minus b plus a upon 2. That is the required solution of the given question. So dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this identity. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions based on the identity. We take a very important question, and the question is, if a square plus b square plus c square, if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 20 and and a plus b plus c is equal to 0, and a plus c plus a plus b plus c is equal to 0, find ab plus bc plus ca. Now let's see solution. Okay, this is the very important questions of your syllabus based on the identity a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, now look, since first of all we know that the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca respectively. Okay, two times ab plus bc plus ca respectively. Okay, now look here, we find the value of ab plus bc plus ca, and it is given that the value of a square plus b square plus c square is what? 20, and the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now we putting all these value in the given identity and we find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now we put the given values in the above identity, that is the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 1, 0, that is 0 square is equal to the value of a square plus b square b plus c square, that is 20. Okay, plus 2 times we find the value of ab plus bc plus ca, so that is right as it is, ab plus bc plus ca. Now look, 0 square, that is 0 right as it is. Okay, and plus 20 transfer that side, that is 2 times ab plus bc plus ca is equal to minus 20. Now that is the value of ab plus bc plus bc is equal to minus 20 upon 2, 2 10s are 20, that is minus 10. So minus 10, dear student, is the required solution of the given question. Okay, minus 10 is the required solution of the given question. So dear student, in this way you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on the identity. Look, now look, if x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 47. Okay, find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Now let's see its solution. Okay. Now what I do? Now we just apply the for loop. So first of all, dear student, we have the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So that comes out in the identity x square plus 1 upon x whole square. So since we can write x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab means that comes cancelled to each other. So now we put the value of x square x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, that is 47. Now this is x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to, that is 47 plus 2, that is 49. Thus 49 is the square of 7. So that comes cancel, square cancel to each other. So we have the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, that is 7. Okay, that is 7. Now we again apply the identity, because of we just find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So before that we find the value of x plus 1 upon x, after that we find that value. Now so now again we apply the identity x plus 1 upon x whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2a means that is 2, that is 2. Okay, now the value of this is what? 7. So that is 7 plus 2, that is 9. This is the square of 3, that is the square of 3. So dear student, that comes cancel to cancel to each other. So the value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to what? 3. The value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. We take equation number first. Okay, now what I do? Now look, we just find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, right? Now for that we taking cube both side of equation 1. Now look, now taking cube both sides, we get, now taking cube both side of equation 1, we get, look, whole cube. Okay, so a plus b whole cube means what? A cube plus b cube. Now we apply the identity. Look, a cube plus b cube, okay, plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, now look here, x what cancel to each other. Now using equation 1, now using equation 1 we get, look, the value of x plus 1 upon x is what? 3. So that is 3 cube is equal to 3 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. We find that value and plus 3 into x plus 1 upon x. The value of x plus 1 upon x is what? 3. We just put 3 here. Now we simplify them. This is 27 is equal to 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Now we can write x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 27 minus 9, and 27 minus 9, that is 18. That is what? This is the required solution of the given questions. So in this way you apply the algebraic identities. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Okay, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay dear students, this is the very important question. Now look, now factorize dear students x plus 1 whole cube plus x minus 1 whole cube. Now look, this is also a very important questions. Okay, now let's see the solution. We know that the identity a cube plus b cube, we just apply them. Okay, a cube plus, this is a, this is b, so a cube plus b cube, a plus b in one bracket, a plus b in one bracket into in another bracket, this is a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus ab minus a into b. Okay, a square plus b square minus ab. This is the identity. Here we apply the identity a cube plus b cube. Now look, we break the brackets, x plus 1 plus x minus 1 into, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab minus, this is a plus b into a minus, this is form of x square minus 1. So if we break the brackets, then we get minus x square and plus 1. Now we simplify them. 1 cancel to each other. So that is 2x into, here 2x cancel to each other. 1x square is also cancelled to each other. And that is 1, 1. That is 3. That is 3. And x square is left. So this is x square plus 3 is left. Okay, now we get final 2x in bracket x square plus 3. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, you can solve that type of questions. This is the very important question of your syllabus. Now in next class we take and solve the same chapter of your syllabus. Okay, now thanks to all.